Greetings, I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel more efficiently. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to display formulas in an Excel spreadsheet. This will allow you to easily observe all the formulas used in the document. If this sounds useful, let's get started. To view all formulas in the spreadsheet, navigate to the Formulas tab at the top of the screen and click on it. To view the formulas in a worksheet, go to the Formula Auditing tab and select Show Formulas. That's great. The formulas in the sheet are now visible. If you'd like to see the values in the table instead of the formulas, simply click on the selected option again. You'll then be able to view the values in the table. If you want to learn more about working with Excel, I've created video tutorials to guide you. You can access the tutorials by following the link in the description. Is this your first time with me? I'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join us, and learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.